The Arteon is not, says Volkswagen, a replacement for the Passat CC, but instead a new contender that's intended to elevate Volkswagen to new heights. Volkswagen describes the Arteon as an avant-garde Gran Turismo, to which we retort it's a rakish hatchback, that's big on looks and big inside. Those aspirations attached to it are pretty sizable, too, because unlike the Passat CC the Arteon most definitely doesn't replace before it, it's aiming at some premium badged rivals from Audi and BMW. Specifically cars like the A5 Sportback and 4 Series Gran Coupe, so, not an altogether design-led, upmarket or tough segment, then. Volkswagen reckons the Arteon's got the measure of them though, dimensionally. It's a car certainly not lacking in scale. That doesn't just give it presence, but space, too. It'll turn heads, we've never seen anything from Volkswagen so obviously and extravagantly styled. It's busy and interesting compared to Volkswagen's more typically restrained norm. A deliberate move, considering the Arteon is going to have to stand out among those established, and desirable competitors. There will be 2 trim levels, elegance, which as its name suggests shows a bit of restraint in its styling, or R-line, which ups the assertiveness with sporting details around the wide front grille and drops some of the elegance's exterior chrome. It's been developed from the outset to ride on 20-inch alloy wheels, which given the needed to fill the sizable wheelashes is a good thing. The engine lineup at launch is very much focused at the more potent end of the scale, with a pair of 2.0-litre units delivering either 240 bhp or 280 bhp depending on their taste for fuel, diesel for less, petrol for more. Both those engine choices come mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, while Volkswagen's 4Motion also features. There's talk that smaller engines, without 4Motion, will follow, and even mutterings of a shooting brake too, but given this is very much an explorative jump into a new segment that will depend on the sales this early pair delivers.